Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem with your messenger. So if messenger is not opening on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings and just try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just check your internet connection. So just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi, or if you use cellular data, just try to check if you turn it on. And also you can try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to Search tab. In Search tab, just write here Messenger. And if you see here not open but update, it means that you have available updates for your messenger. So just tap on update and wait until it was successful. So the latest updates for your messenger app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, hit like and bye.